Hello everyone, now it's story time. And in the last video, we had seen the story about little kite not afraid anymore. And we had seen how he was afraid of flying high in the sky, but afterward he learned to fly in the sky, and now he was not afraid of flying in the sky. Now we will see this question answer, because whenever you are answering the question, I think you could not frame the sentence for the answer in English. For that, you have to read the chapter from the textbook regularly, and today I will tell you the answer for these questions. First question: why was the little kite afraid to fly? Do you know the answer? If you had read the story and if you had seen the video, then you can answer this question. Why was the little kite afraid to fly? The little kite was afraid to fly because he thought he would fall down if he tried to fly. लिटिल काइट को उड़ने से क्यों डर लग रहा था? क्योंकि वो सोचता था कि अगर वो उड़ेगा तो वो गिर जाएगा. He thought he would fall down if he tried to fly. This is the simple and short answer. You have to remember that the little kite thought he would fall down if he tried to fly. Why did the big kite say to the little kite? Sorry, what did the big kite say to the little kite? For that, do you remember the answer? What did the big kite say? The big kite told the little kite that he would teach the little kite to fly. What did he say? The big kite told to the little kite that he would teach the little kite to fly. Then, third, how did the big kite help the little kite? I think you know the answer. Okay, then how will you say the answer? You have to tell the answer like this. The big kite asked the little kite to hold on my tail so he would not fall down. What did he say? He said the little kite to hold on his tail so he would not fall down. Then they soared into the sky together, and after holding the tail of the big kite, the little kite can soar into the sky together. How did the little kite feel when he was flying all by himself? आकाश में उड़ने के बाद लिटिल काइट को कैसा लग रहा था? How did he feel? The little kite was surprised when he started flying all by himself. What did he feel? He felt he was very surprised when he started flying all by himself. He realized that he was no longer afraid of flying. He realized that उसको समझ में आ गया कि अब उसे बिल्कुल भी डर नहीं लग रहा है. He realized that he was no longer afraid of flying. Okay, so I hope all of you understood the story also, and the question is here and I told answer also. So keep watching the video, and after watching the video you have to read the story also. Okay, so all of you understood the story, and the main thing that is all of us are afraid of doing something for the first time. Whenever we are doing any work for the first time, we all of us are afraid of. We are afraid that we are not clever enough and that others will laugh at us. See, we are feeling that if we will do anything, then others will laugh at us. सब लोग हमारी हंसी उड़ाएंगे, हमारा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. तो वो ही डर से हम कुछ करने से डरते हैं. We are afraid that we are not clever enough and that others will laugh us. How can we stop being afraid of doing something new? We can ask someone to show us how to do it. Then we can try and do it. We can try and do it ourselves. We can do it again and again till we become good at it. Then we will enjoy it. We will not be afraid of it anymore. See, so in the story we had seen, if we are doing any work for the first time, obviously we afraid of something. But as soon as we try the new thing, after doing that thing again and again, our confidence will be, we can gain the confidence and we can do that thing very easily. So we should not afraid of anything that we want to do for the first time and build a confidence in ourselves. So I hope all of you understood the story and you would love to read the story also. You had to read the story from the textbook as well. You had to prepare the question answer orally from the chapters. I told you the answer in the video also, and you had to try to remember the answers for this story. If you remember the whole story, you can give the answer for this question. Okay, so I hope all of you enjoy the story and keep reading from the textbook. Okay, till then, goodbye and have a nice day.